In HTML, if we want to display a web page within another web page, we make use of an iframe. In this video, I will show you a basic illustration of how we can display different web pages within one particular web page. To create an iframe, just like every other element, we start with the tag name, which is an iframe, and then we specify the source of the page that we want to include. So let's start by including our first page.html, or rather let's include the tables.html, and then close this tag. This is basically how easy it is to create an iframe in HTML. I'll save and refresh the page. You can see that tables.html is being displayed in this section of the website. We can use the style attribute to specify a width and height for the iframe. It's 400 pieces. You can also specify this in percentage. The height should be, let's say, 320. I'll save and refresh the page. By default, the iframe has a border, which you can see here. This can also be styled using the style attribute. So we can either remove the border by saying border none. Fresh, you see the border is gone. Or we can specify a size for the border, size and color. Save and refresh. We can also use an iframe to display content from another website. A common example would be to embed a video from YouTube. For example, we go to youtube.com. This is a YouTube promo video for my other course. I'm going to embed this YouTube video in our web page. Right here where we have the share button, click on it. And then you can see share, embed, and email. So we click on embed and just going to grab the code here. Paste it here. All right, you see that it's basically the same thing. We have the iframe, and we have the closing tag for the iframe. And here we have the source of the iframe. For the embed code for Google, we have the frame border is set to 0, which means no border will be displayed. And they are also allowing this to play on full screen. 560 for the width and 315 for the height. And here we have a nice YouTube video. Basically, this is what an iframe is. It allows us to display a web page within another web page.